Measuring impact. This lesson focuses on evaluating the effectiveness of advocacy and lobbying efforts. You will learn how to measure the outcomes of your campaigns to ensure they achieve their desired goals. Key definitions. Impact assessment. The process of evaluating the changes resulting from an advocacy or lobbying effort. Impact assessment helps determine the effectiveness of your strategies. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Specific metrics used to measure the success of a campaign. KPIs provide quantifiable evidence of progress toward your objectives. Outcome. Evaluation, the examination of the final results of a campaign. Outcome evaluation focuses on whether the intended goals were achieved. Data collection, the process of gathering information to assess the performance of a campaign. Data collection methods include surveys, interviews, and statistical analysis. Benchmarking. Comparing your campaign's performance against established standards or previous efforts. Benchmarking helps identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Impact assessment is essential to determine the effectiveness of your advocacy efforts. Start by defining the specific changes you hope to achieve, such as policy shifts or increased public awareness. Impact assessment involves analyzing the direct and indirect effects of your campaign to gauge its success. To measure progress, identify key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your goals. These could include metrics like the number of supporters gained, legislation passed, or media coverage received. KPIs provide a clear and measurable way to track your campaign's effectiveness over time. Outcome evaluation focuses on the final results of your advocacy efforts. After your campaign concludes, assess whether you achieved your desired outcomes. Outcome evaluation helps you understand what worked, what didn't, and why, providing valuable insights for future campaigns. Effective data collection is crucial for accurate measurement. Use surveys, interviews, and data analysis to gather information on your campaign's performance. Data collection ensures that your assessment is based on reliable and comprehensive evidence. Benchmarking allows you to compare your campaign's results with industry standards or past efforts. By benchmarking, you can identify strengths and weaknesses in your strategy and adjust your approach for future initiatives. Regularly reviewing and refining your measurement techniques will help improve the accuracy of your evaluations. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to enhancing the impact of your advocacy work. Examples: after running a campaign to improve school funding, organizers conduct an impact assessment to determine its effectiveness. They measure KPIs like increased funding allocations and community support. Through data collection from school reports and community feedback, they evaluate the outcome and use benchmarking to compare their success to similar campaigns in other regions. A public health advocacy group advocates for better access to healthcare services. After their campaign, they conduct an outcome evaluation to see if there were increases in healthcare access and policy changes. By using data collection methods like patient surveys and benchmarking their results against national standards, they assess the overall impact and identify areas for further improvement.